We love sharing good news. So when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone. So we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.